one, I'm really proud of this EGR filter my son designed. A lot of years of working went into this, blood, sweat, tears, a lot of hours and everything. But my son is very polite on camera. If you go up to him, he'll be very polite to you too. If you go and kick him in the nuts, you can have fun, all right? What I'm getting tired of is that this is for people that cannot delete, okay? I understand. I hate being told by these tree huggers what we're doing. You know, Trump's fighting it right now and all that crap. But I totally understand. I have a radar detector in there because I don't like being told what speed to drive. Sometimes I drive slower than the speed limit through a subdivision because you need to. I carry a gun because I think I will maybe get to use it one day, okay? We'll save the court system some money. But this is for people that cannot get around it, all right? That's what this is for. Almost eliminate this. This soot here is about a 120,000 mile buildup. You would have had to go about 720,000 miles if you would have had this EGR filter on there from the beginning, okay? If you can't understand that, I got problems with you then. Leave us alone. The other thing going on is that I know people that just got out of prison, that are probably going to prison, are still in prison for deleting this crap. Yeah, it's crap, we know that. The engine doesn't run better. But now go talk to those people and see what they're gonna do, okay? Yeah, we might need more of these, so, you know, our Second Amendment, so we can keep our First Amendment right, which I'm using right now. So if you wanna keep picking us in the, take a hike, get out of here, okay?